After yesterday's speed breaker, today was a day of consolidation. While we started off a little bit tempered in the green, we finally picked up in trade, made it all the way to that 1% triple-digit gain mark. We were holding around that 17,900 mark and then slowly petered from there, closing in with a near about 0.5% gain coming in and actually holding on to that 17,850 print on the Nifty Futures. So that shouldn't really give any reason to complain. Officially closed in for the first week of the calendar year 2022, and the market breadth as well, marginally in favor of the advances is how it shut shop. The market today is sectorally was pretty much split and divided. So while banks were just marginally in the green, cement really stole the show, and the sector in the futures contributed nearly 4%. Textile as a play held out, and oil and gas led by ONGC along with metals was the other big sectoral performer. Media, infrastructure, financials, automobiles, as well as telecom and realty were your relative underperformers in trade. Let's first talk about cement because that was the big sectoral play today. So India Cement shot up nearly 15% in trade today. In fact, a little bit more than that on the futures, given that Radhakishan Damani has been upping his stake in India Cement. That stock shot up very well. You had a rub off on the rest of the cement pack too after a day's break yesterday. So ACC, Ambuja, Ramco Cement, all these stocks were holding out very smartly. Grasim, which has indicated an improvement in their core business, the paint segment doing very well. Grasim was another big mover in trade, as was the case on this stock yesterday too, held out by 4.5%. Crude prices have been on an uptick, and that sure augured well for the likes of ONGC, which again has been a very strong performer of late, and today was no different. A good 4% near about move coming in on ONGC today too. Some of the other movers included the likes of Hindalco, HDFC Life, Shree Cement, Asian Paints, Tata Consumer, as well as Britannia, Coal India and Ultratech Cement, which held out very well from amidst the large caps. Though on the flip side, there was pressure coming in from a Bajaj Finance, from a Titan. Interestingly, even though it reported a fabulous growth in the third quarter update, a 36% growth at that, and that the festive quarter was better than their expectations, but the stock, remember, ran up yesterday. So today it petered down and gave up its morning gains, fell by about 1.25%. M&M, Bajaj Finance, L&T, HDFC, these were also relative underperformers and closed in the red today. As was the case with some of the broader market contenders, wherein GMR Infra, Piramal Enterprises, Abbott, Metropolis, GNFC, these were all laggards in the trading session. Add to that, there was also, a couple of other stocks which actually held out along with India Cement. So Nalco, Jubilant Foodworks. Remember, once again, with all the curbs and curfews because of the Omicron spike, one is seeing that people are ordering in more. So some of these QSR companies have been holding out very well. Jubilant Foodworks clearly being one such case in point. And besides that, there was Page Industries as well, which shot up a good 4.5% in trade. But that said, come next week, we're going to be officially kickstarting the earnings season. You'll have all the IT big boys along with TCS and Infosys, which are due to report their numbers. So expect an action-packed next week. Monday morning, we're also going to be reacting to not just the global cues, but also the Q3 GDP print, which is going to be declared post-market hours today, on Friday, that is. And then, of course, you'll have Avenue Supermart as well declare their numbers over the weekend.